Okay, so I wanted to talk about this. It's really simple. This is just a strategy that uh, I am. I want to use on a live account next. I'm thinking I want to do it before the end of the month. Actually, um, I'm thinking maybe put like a couple hundred, couple hundred bucks. Throw a couple hundred bucks at it and just let it do what it do. And just watch it. So, but this is, I mean, it keeps going. Check this out. All right. I can show you. Wait, I'm on Solana. Check this out. Right. Look at this. We did a random test. Now, I did exotics. This is, right? TSI H3, right? And look at this right here. TSI. It's at the bottom. So, and it's up there. I'm selling this down here. And I have my particular settings, which is not, it's not on default, but I mean, it's default. You can still do it, but I have my settings. But throw it in there. These are not all the trades. These are just the exotic ones. I wanted to see how it did on exotics, right? And I think it's been holding this for, what does it say? History, history. So, so third is now the sixth. So this is like the coming close to the third day. Well, it's the beginning of the sixth to 12 a.m. So it's like coming on the third day. Like it's not that long. It's 2 days, 2.5 days, or two and a day is a quarter or whatever. All right, and that's these are green. Like it was like almost like it wasn't much down. It wasn't how do you say drawdown? Now on this, uh, there was like the only drawdown was the open position, and then it just went straight. It just went straight to profit. And there was like a slight profit, and then that stayed that way for a while because like these three took a while. Well, I wasn't looking at this end, but it was like two that went in profit. One went straight into profit, and then it was like it took a while, and this one finally did. Um, but it's like not even man, this crazy. So I mean, those five trades, right? That's 100% winning. Winning. I don't know if it won, but now I have the other one that's started. Hold on, let's see count here. So I'm trying to think, man. There's so many experiments here. This is experiments in trading. Oh, I had made a mistake. I had opened up the wrong position or something. Oh yeah, I made the wrong position, wrong trade, and I had to close it. But oh, these ended up closing. Why did these close? I don't know. But anyway, but yeah, that's the start, and like I had started. So, but let's see what is. Let's see, those are one. But I'm gonna see where it is. So three, right? So it's like 75%, 80% successful. Oh, some of them even had stops. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's why I said, man, drawdown was like maybe point 0.5, maybe 1%. It wasn't much at all. Like I barely even remember ever seeing this red. Like after it's open and then I just waited a few minutes and then just waited a little while. It just start going a little bit. Matter of fact, hold on. That's on the sentiment, sorry. No, this one was actually negative for. See, I wish I had like recorded. I'm trying to think. It was negative for like this was negative for like 2 days or something, right? At the most, like yeah, like 2 days, and then weekend came up, and then it just after the weekend, then it was just like, right? I think that's how it went. Let me check, man. Hold up. 949. Yeah, right. 828, and then the eight was. So it was. I'm trying to see if I have this. It was Wednesday had started, right? Right. All the trades were done on Wednesday. Then it went into the weekend. I think it was like negative into the weekend. And I didn't. I said to myself, it should. I was expecting that because it's on H3. You know what I mean? It's not like it's on the minute chart or something. I mean, it's going to take a while, right? And then it just, man, it just. it just took off. And I was like, wow. So I'm gonna be using that absolutely. I mean, it's like 33% now. So, but it hit 30% in like no time. It was like 3 days. It was something crazy. So USD JPY is in the lead at 354 pips. Yeah, because I was gonna close this like 2 days ago or yesterday or something like that. It was like I was gonna close it because I saw the harmonic, but I said to myself, "Oh no, this harmonic is gonna break." So, but I said, just stay in it. I moved my stop up right here. Okay, that's what that is. Okay, yeah, I put in stops. Yeah, I didn't have stops in at first, but I put it in just to kind of protect profits and see how it goes. I'm just trying to get the most out of it, but whatever. It's just a test. And that's what I do on here. This one was amazing. Started at a million. Within like I closed it after 24 hours, but in like 11 hours it was like up to 30, like 300,000. So I just closed it at 26. So I made 26.1% like 2 days. I think so. I don't know. I'm trying to remember something like that. Hold up, cause I opened it. Trying to think. And I had made a mistake on here. I did like it was one of them was a mistake. Yo, and yeah, not all of them went into yeah, yeah, that's right. It's sentiment not only supposed to go in profit. That's supposed to be 100%. Sentiment is never when I've done sentiment, it's never 100%, but I always end up with always, but majority of the time I end up with a profit or break even. Or break even sometimes, and then a loss is like I'm thinking maybe a loss because if you take the break even, if you add it, if we separate the break even, winning is like 40, like 42%, right? 42, like that's the magic number. It's like a 48, 40, it's like 54. It's between 48 and 54%, like the magic number. Like I know if I'm right there, I'm good. Then you got the break evens, where just kind of break even is like it wasn't much or it was so little, it was like on one end. Um, I just called it break even. Like I just got out. Cause like it's not going nowhere. Cause they're all balanced. Cause they're all entered at the same time and they tend to just balance out. And it's just great. I never have to I never ever 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 had to put a stop loss on sentiment trade. Like never. Like ever never. You just no need to. So it's like the whole market's entered at one time and just let it go. It's great. It is so great. I passed challenges, my Forex fund challenges with that. And then I started doing and I got too excited and I blew the account. So, but anyway, back to something. 3 days. Oh, where is? I'm trying to see. Oh, that's right, because it was only one. Yeah, this was sentiment, so it was only one day. That's why it says, right. It was at 1 a.m. and then it closed. So see, I told you, like within 24 hours, it made 26%. Incredible, incredible. Just oh my god, it's just incredible. Anyway, I got rid of ABCD patterns because of the drawdown. I mean, it's not much draw. Well, no wait, I'm sorry. Yeah, drawdown. Yeah, the drawdown. Drawdown was like what 2%. I didn't want that because the other ones did so much better. But I mean, if you don't mind a 2% drawdown, it's still up 23%. So ABCD patterns, and it took a while for the ABCD patterns to yeah, either way, man. You trade all these together, you don't even need a stop loss. And that's just how I've been trading. And some people they can't do it. I don't know. So yeah, so the drawdown was like just 2%. But the return, I wonder how many. I need to check. See, I think it was in let me see, Trading Journal. I gotta see where. What? Oh, so oh, this was all of them were done 8:30. Okay, so they were done between 8:30 and 9. So this was between Friday and Monday. So that's what, pretty much one, two, three, four, 5 days. Uh, so that was just ABC pattern. It was like I just would just like look at it and then just enter it. Just didn't think. Like I try to do ones that you don't have to really think. You just enter and go. Just enter them all and go. Um, the daily and golf. This one took a long time. So this one took to get that much, and then I had some that, yeah, I had closed some positive ones. I can't remember what the drawdown was. I think the drawdown was, hold on, let me think. Drawdown was like 2.7%. I think it was like 2% or something like that. Two, maybe two and a half, like two and a, somewhere in there. It was something like that. I just ignored it. I'm so used to ignoring it because I know it doesn't really mean anything. But I said it's gonna go in profit. But I used an in-call pattern with the RSI pattern. It's like combined the RSI and golf, and then on a daily chart, and whatever it said, I just did it. Whatever, if it was saying that it's gonna go up, I just up, and it went down and down, right, and then just let it sit. It took a while. It took a while. It took some time on a daily chart. But that's one thing you can use, right? Look. The number one is the one. Number one is the Nas. So I got in when it was up here. See, so um, worst loser. I don't know. This thing is blocking. The worst one is what's the worst one? Worst 100 pips. Worst one. So oh yeah, it went further. Sorry. So it went down. It was as down as low as 158. No, that's wrong. Hold up. Sorry. Wait. Where's the mark, man? So it was down as low as 246. It's going back the other way. I've been holding it so long. Um, and it's been a couple days. Let's see. So that was August 27th. So you're talking one, two, three. Um, I don't count Sunday, but half that day. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's been like 8.5 days or something like that. Like 8 days. So that took like 8 days. But I mean, you get money. I mean, you could use any one of these strategies. I mean, mark sticks suck. This one sucked. This one sucked. I tried a larger mark. It's just forget it. Um. Well, this one's I've been doing different trades on here. I was testing different stuff. This one's was a bunch of I was just oil anybody. It was like RSI trades. Like this is the account that I've been trading for a long time, for like 3 years or whatever. So I trade this one. I've done all kinds of strategies. This one started at 100,000. And today is at 2.4 million. Um, it's like took like 3 years almost. It's like 3 years, and I didn't trade it. I stopped trading it for like 6 months. So this one, I don't know what this is. What did I don't know. I wrote it. I put it down. I wrote it down in my notes somewhere. So I guess I covered and I did some crypto, and it was using that on crypto. Don't use TSI on crypto. It's garbage. But yeah, so those are the winners and the losers. See you on the next one.